Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Mr. Know It All here. Today we're going to cover Gincoin. I believe their ICO price was $8 a coin, if I'm not mistaken. All right, so let's get right into it, guys. If you guys joined me last time, I added a number 8 to our list. Number 8 is a team. I guess that can go both ways, though. But if they do provide that information, that does expose them and obviously kind of instill some more trust into the community. So that's always a good thing. All right, guys, so Gincoin, let's check out the Bitcoin talk thread. Looks like they have a junior member here, so that gets a check mark. They have about 27 pages worth of comments and community activity, which is also good. So Gincoin is a Masternode deployment platform, much like GTM. I believe the developer told me that the price of their service is 50 cents worth of Gincoin a day. Now, that's basically, you don't get locked in for like, a week. It's basically just a daily thing. So I guess you have to keep renewing or something on that order. I have not used their service. Let's check the volume. The volume here, they did about $111,000 today. So they are way, way in the money on volume. So that's good. Let's check the Discord. So yeah, they actually exposed their full names. So they get the double check on my list. Cato Coin is now on the Gin platform. If you guys saw my previous video about Cato Coin. Let's see. Looks like they're very active. Today they had an announcement. Yep, they're just giving an update as, what's going on with the technicals and any informational advice here. Looks like they basically add a new coin. They've been adding coins very frequently here. Looks very good. So I would say they get the check mark for active Discord. Let's see what else they need to cover here. The token supply. All right, so the top 100, yep, they are definitely under the 50% mark for the top 25 wallets. This is the pre-mine wallet. Let's have a look at it. Yeah, it looks like they have no activity here, which is a good sign, guys. That means they are not using the pre-mine for anything. That gets a check mark. They are not on a low volume exchange, so that gets a check mark. Their use case is, like I said, a 50 cent worth of Gincoin a day for their service. So that obviously has like one of the best use cases you can have, a service-related use for your coin. Let's see, 8 was the team. So I guess overall, guys, these guys are getting a 9 out of 10 on my scale. They're basically almost a perfect project in terms of growth potential I see. Obviously, they're helping like non-technical people launch masternodes. And let's just see, they have 4,170 people launching or hosting nodes on here. That's about $10.3 million worth of value. And they have different tiers of their masternodes. That's actually very interesting that they have like higher end nodes here. They have 4 Zcoin, PivX, Dash. You can run your Dash node here. That's pretty interesting. And then they have tier 2, and then I guess all the way down to like tier 3. Yep. And a couple other things the developer mentioned to me that I think is pretty beneficial for the customer, and that is the dashboard. You can, much like Masternodes and Online, which is a free service where you create a seed number to monitor your nodes. Here's the Masternodes and Online, and you basically have to enter a seed number here, and you sign in, so you kind of get an idea of how it works. It kind of gives you your breakdown of your income, what kind of nodes you're running, and yes, guys, these are the nodes that I'm running right now. So yeah, overall, looks like a great project, guys. One important thing I forgot to mention, aside from Gincoin platform having monitoring service, they also have a place where you can obviously create your own master nodes that are on their platform, and it'll give you your estimated daily ROI, as you can see here in the screenshot, in addition to the other masternodes that you might be running on their website. Make sure you guys like and subscribe if you like my content, and we'll catch you next time.